In this guide, I'll show you how to download the PS4 or PS5 version of a game on PS5. So, the first thing you want to do is go to the PlayStation Store, and then you want to select the search icon in the top right corner. Now, in search, you want to simply type in the game to see if it has it available. And once you've done that, you want to scroll down and have a look. Now, if it says PS5/PS4 on it, that means you can get both versions. So, we're going to select it here. And then you want to go to the three dots and you want to go to select version. Now, here you'll see the PS5 version of this game that I've installed, and I can also get the PS4 version here as well. Now, recently, a lot of games have been coming out with PS4 and PS5 versions. Oftentimes, you can get these upgrades for free if you have the PS4 version. And if we go back now and you get back to the home menu, if you scroll over to Game Library, this is also another location where you can check and see if there's these free upgrades available or if you can get the newer versions. So if I go to Fallout 4, for example, you'll see that there's a PS4 and PS5 version. Now, I originally bought this on PS4 and I got this upgrade for free, and this may be true for some of your games as well. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.